At the break of dawn, the forest awakens. Gentle rays of light pierce the canopy, and a chorus fills the air. These are the voices of the sky, are the birds. From tiny hummingbirds flitting like jeweled darts to mighty eagles soaring over mountain peaks, birds are among the most diverse and captivating creatures on Earth. With over 10,000 known species, birds come in a dazzling array of shapes, sizes, and colors. Each is uniquely adapted to its environment, a masterpiece of evolution in motion. Their lives are filled with constant motion, searching for food, evading predators, and caring for their young. Every day is a challenge, and every moment is a story. Some travel thousands of miles between continents, guided by instinct and the stars. Bird migration is one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. Birds are found in nearly every corner of the planet, from the frozen Arctic to scorching deserts, from lush rainforests to urban landscapes. They are both resilient and fragile, thriving in diverse habitats, yet vulnerable to change. But their world is under threat. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change are pushing many species toward extinction. The songbirds are falling silent, and the skies are growing empty. The skies for generations to come. They are messengers of the wild, symbols of freedom, and keepers of balance. They are the birds, and this is their story.